all my nerf weapons. So let's do smallest to biggest. So first off, we got my smallest one. My big brother, he used to always like this, and it's called the Jolt. Pretty good handgun. Load a bullet. Pull the thing, the orange thing back. Shoot, reload. You know, pretty simple. Okay, so that's one weapon. Now, Mom got us this one. And we have a different one that has the colors different. But this is a dart zone, 8 barrel, I think, or 7 barrel. Pull the trigger. Well, first you have to pull this thing back. And once that bar is out, and you got the bullet in. Shoot. Pretty simple. Then we have the gun that I actually bought, and it is a Nerf Rival compact. The name of the gun, look, I'll just put it on the light, is XXLL100, I think. You know, pretty good gun. Load an advanced rifle bullet in there, like one of those blue Nerf balls. Push that thing back. Then you make sure that the lock's not on. Shoot. Now, biggest one. So this is my brother's. It is a big boy because it is a sword, a Nerf sword. And this thing's pretty old and beat up. Tips all chewed up. One of the things there, if you can't see that, well, there's tape. Anyways, that's the whole entire sword right there. Yeah. Bye-bye.